Hello there, Bobo the Bitcoiner is back. As you can see, I'm still in one piece, healthy and good. Happy-go-lucky. Today's subject, I'm going to talk about the mid-year assessment. All right. Wall Street had invaded the crypto industry, not only with their money, but also with their evil methodology. If only crypto like Bitcoin with its pure purpose of clean transaction, or Ethereum with its straightforward purpose of a smart contract, and Filecoin with its useful filing utility, the crypto industry will be more peaceful and absolute. Wall Street throws in all the games of the stock instruments into the crypto industry, through leverage options derivatives etc. All highly speculative in order to maximize their profit, mainly through the crypto exchanges. They replicates the banking industry by allowing lenders and borrowers to compete for the higher interest, to the extent that when the market failed, leverage got liquidated. All right. Exactly what happened to Terra and Luna and CeFi or CeFi Celsius, that goes on to affect BlockFi, Voyager, Babel, contributing to the downfall of once highly respected hedge fund 3AC. I think it's 3 Arrow Commerce. If only the 3 decent transaction, smart contract, and utility coin are allowed time to demonstrate their purity and usefulness. So instead of waiting for the fruits to be ripe, Wall Street moved in to take advantage of this unregulated playground, putting a dam on the whole crypto industry in general. Obviously, the young crypto world got its bad reputation. That's Wall Street anyway. They go for the kill when there is an opportunity. Right? That's their game. That's how they get richer. The sad thing is that not only crypto is a young industry. Most of the retail investors are inexperienced and greenhorn. Right? The fact that the crypto allows small investors from $100 to $10,000, ignorant and unfamiliar investors simply jump in blindly, hoping to make a quick buck. Greedy huh? So in a way, most of the governments are correct to say that they need to protect the retail investors. The immature crypto world is badly scarred today. All right. For the last 2 to 3 weeks, market seems to have cooled off. The damage was done. Few will go bankrupt for sure. Some will be rescued. Some will have their reputation ruined. However, if we look back to digest the whole complexity, it wasn't so bad as what the market makes it out to be. None of the reputable crypto exchange is affected. None of the reputable DeFi is affected. It mostly affects the CeFi. Stablecoin is definitely affected, but mostly narrowed down to algorithm kind of stablecoin. Hedge fund is almost narrowed down to one or two highly speculative ones, like 3AC. No, come to think of it, it's a small part of the overall crypto industry. You know, a stable coin, one or two hedge funds, and some CeFis. Most others are not affected directly. Right? Yet it is so contagious that when the whole crypto market cap was down by at least 50%, this shows how sensitive the whole this young crypto market is. Right? This now becomes understandable because this is the first big catastrophe ever experienced by the crypto world. Too new, too uncertain, too scared. The next time around, it will be less dramatic, I'm sure, unless of another different nature. Well, situation has cooled down quite a lot now. The story has not ended, no doubt. Yeah, there will be still casualty, there will be bankruptcy, there will be outcry. All right, they will unwind. After a while, it will get back to normal, just like every stock market do. You know, life will get back to normal. Everything will come back. In fact, it was only in May, June that we have this crisis. Right. Now in the middle of July, we are already seeing it settling somewhat. Quite a good sign, I must say. Now, back to Bitcoin or even Ethereum. Nothing happened. It's because when they are being used as a collateral by Terra, 3AC, CeFi to leverage on the high yield, they get liquidated. But what has it got to do with Bitcoin and Ethereum fundamentally? That's why at the beginning of the episode, I said if only crypto industry is allowed time to demonstrate their purity and usefulness. So the point that I'm trying to put across is crypto, especially Bitcoin, is perfect, intact, and in one piece for the last 13 years. People will slowly get to understand and appreciate its perfection. Just be patient. Time will tell. All right? There's no hurry. When this blows over, people will come to the appreciate more. If you understand what I'm explaining, then you should be investing. Okay? See you next time. Don't forget to like or subscribe. Bye-bye.